The financial services industry has had a rough life. The industry is susceptible to just about every kind of economic downturn. While sometimes treated negatively in the mainstream media, I prefer to think of today's financial lenders as offering the key to tomorrow's future. Through the leverage financial services organizations provide, consumers are able to own homes, start businesses, get to work, and fund an education. Lending opens the doors that allow society to thrive. So why then is the process of applying for and obtaining personal financing dreaded by so many people? What makes the process so potentially painful? And most importantly, what can we do about it? My name is Erin Wilson, a Director of Solutions Consulting at Five9, and today I'd like to discuss how financial services companies are using Five9 to transform the way they interact with their customers, increase the security of their interactions, and lower their cost of service. But first, meet Jeff. Jeff is a single dad who just found the perfect house to raise his 8-year-old son in. Jeff needs a mortgage, like now, before someone else snags his beauty out from under him. After some serious Googling, Jeff decided to apply for a loan with his current bank. So he went online and began the application process. On step 5, the bank asked him to fax in some income statements. This point of friction was something Jeff didn't know how to overcome. Where the heck was he going to find a fax machine? Determined to muscle on, however, he looked for help and noticed an opportunity to engage with the bank. He clicked the Engage button that launched Five9's visual IVR, which provided him contextual help. Jeff learned about alternative ways to send in his documents. After completing the form, Jeff was told to expect a call in a couple days. Jeff helped this firm keep that promise. When Jeff submitted the application, a series of business process flows were initiated. The Five9 workflow automation tool sent some of the data to the underwriting team's processing software, while also adding Jeff to the Five9 dialer to ensure he would be called on the date he was promised. When Mike, the agent, called Jeff, he was presented with all the information he needed to discuss Jeff's application. But Mike needed to be sure the man on the line was indeed Jeff. Remember, Jeff was already a customer of this bank, and he had previously enrolled in a voice biometrics authentication program they had. Just by talking to Jeff, Mike was able to authenticate his voice and carry on the conversation. Once confirmed, Mike let Jeff know his application had been preliminarily approved and asked to collect payment for the application fee. Jeff opted to pay by credit card via Five9's Secure Payments Capture application, which processes the payment in a PCI-compliant way. At the end of the call, Mike was able to send the pre-approval letter to Jeff via email. Armed with this, Jeff put in an offer and got the house. Congrats, Jeff. Jeff only had to face one more hurdle on his journey to homeownership. But again, the bank was able to leverage the Five9 feature set to reduce their support costs. Jeff was able to schedule an appraisal online without speaking to an agent. Even the appraiser's experience was improved. After touring the house, they simply dialed into an IVR, spoke the property address, and followed the prompts to enter his evaluation. No agents necessary. Weeks later, Jeff got the keys and he and his son couldn't be happier playing catch in their new backyard. So today, we've seen how Five9 helped this lender remove friction from their customers' experience by providing just-in-time assistance during the loan application process, automate business processes both inside and outside of the contact center, reduce risk with voice biometrics, increase their IVR containment rate by offering a visual option, and lowered their cost of loan acquisition by replacing an otherwise manual touchpoint with agentless technology. Five9 knows financial services. Our implementation experts help customers like you achieve greater efficiency, lower costs, and improve their bottom line every day. To learn more about what Five9 can do for your business, check out the link below or contact your sales rep. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.